Alright y'all, before I put my camera up for the day, I did want to give you a little update on that makeup I got from Walmart the other day. Now today I have the Fit Me concealer on. Can y'all tell a difference? And I have that palette I got on from Hard Candy. What do y'all think? Do you think it suits me? Do you think it looks good? I am not good at concealer and stuff. Brand new to it. As a matter of fact, this is the first time I've tried it. And also the nails. You know, I told you I got these fake little nails. They're kind of like Color Street. They're not Color Street, y'all. I put them on last night and already they're like peeling off. And they have actually when I put my makeup on, they got a little makeup on underneath them. So I'm grossed out. I'm thinking about taking them off. I wanted them for today because we're going out to dinner tonight for my husband's birthday, which was yesterday. And yeah, I'm thinking about taking it off. They're chipping at the tips and they are plasticky feeling. So like when I reach down in my pockets or something, I feel like I'm catching them on stuff. So yeah, this is not my favorite thing. I probably would pay extra for the Color Street because they didn't do that with me. But I do think they're pretty, you know, and if you don't look super close at them, you can't tell they're messed up. So anyway, just wanted to give you that little bit of an update. Have a wonderful day and God bless.